Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into T3 Arena using your Android device. If you want to sign into your T3 Arena account and start saving progress, unlocking rewards and syncing data across devices, first of all open the T3 Arena game on your device. This will be the first welcome page of T3 Arena from where you can sign in using your TapTap, Google, or sign in as a guest. In order to sign in with your TapTap account, tap on the Sign in with TapTap option and then follow through the on-screen instructions. If you don't have a TapTap account, you'll need to create one. If you do, click on Login. Enter your email and password associated with your TapTap account and then click on the Login button in order to sign into your account with TapTap. If you want to sign in with your Google option, tap on Sign in with Google from the welcome screen. Select one of your Google accounts or add any Google account you'd like to sign in with. Enter your Google account's credentials correctly, that is your email and password, and follow through the sign-in process. Soon after you do that, you will be logged in using your Google account as well. If you want to play temporarily, you can choose the guest login option, but this option is not recommended as your data may not save if you uninstall the app. So that's how you easily log in to T3 Arena. The game will now be connected to your saved profile and load your heroes, progress and rewards. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.